Question 16. Question 16 asks that it does not require an excretion in cockroach. Does not take part in excretion in cockroach. Now here the correct answer become filiform antenna, because nephrocytes, Rico's gland and fat body have a role in excretion in cockroach. But filiform antenna is a thread-like structure which has a motor function and they contribute to tactile sense, which is a key role for perceiving physical object. It is a key role for perceiving object. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 16. Next is question number 17. 17 asks that select the correct pair. We have to select a correct pair. Now statement A is given as skeletal muscle and this fiber tapers at both ends. So it is a wrong statement because smooth muscle fiber actually taper at both ends. So that is an incorrect statement. Statement B is given that smooth muscle closely attached to skeletal heart. To skeletal. So smooth muscle are not found to connect to skeletal. Tender are found to connect muscle to bone. So smooth muscle is closely attached to skeletal. So that is a wrongly matched. Option C is given that cardiac muscle is present only in the heart. So it is absolutely correct. Cardiac muscle are present in the heart. And option D is given as neural muscle help in movement. Neural tissue actually play a role in response. They do not have a concentration with the movement. So C is the correct answer. Next is question 18. Question 18 asks that nerve cell originate from embryonic. So it is a fact-based question. You have to remember that whole nervous system originate from ectoderm. That is option A. So A become the correct answer. Next is question 19. Question 19 is a diagram based question, and in this diagram based question, diagram is given of adipose tissue. It is given of a adipose tissue. Now this adipose tissue is another type of connective tissue that located mainly beneath the skin, and the cells of this tissue are specialized to store fat. So according to this, option B become the correct answer. Question 20. Question 20 asks that which of the following is not syncytial? Syncytial means multinucleated. First option is given as cardiac muscle. Now cardiac muscle allow rapid coordination and contraction of muscle along their length, and they are found by the fusion of some different cells. So because of this they are multinucleated. Option B, skeletal muscle is given. So it is also found by fusion of thousands of individual muscle cells. So it is also particularly a syncytial. Now option C, if we go, there is a smooth muscle, and smooth muscle cannot be a syncytial. And option D, that is interstitial muscle, that are also a syncytial. So not syncytial, not multinucleated, that is nothing but option C, that is a smooth muscle. It is obvious, you have to remember this. Next is question 21. Question 21 asks that in earthworm stomach extends from. So it is a fact based question. In earthworm stomach extends from. So you should remember the answer that 9 to 14 segment. In between this there is a location of stomach in earthworm. Next is question 22. Question 22 asks that select the correct statement from the ones given below with respect to parallel planeta americana. We have to select a correct statement with respect to this. Now if we go with the option A is given as nervous system located dorsally consists of segmentally arranged ganglia located by a pair of longitudinal connective. So if we go with this is an incorrect statement. Option B is given as males bear a pair of short thread like anal styles. Now posterior segment of cockroach bear a appendages named anal cerci. So be remember anal cerci are present posteriorly in the posterior segment. So these are found in both male and female. They are found in both male and female. But male cockroach can be distinguished by female ones by the presence of extra pair of accessory appendage named anal styles. Male have separate anal style and it passes during copulation. So option B is the correct statement of the given one. Question 23. Question 23 asks that which one of the following correctly describe the location of some body part in earthworm pheretima? Location, and that location is correct in case of earthworm pheretima. Now statement A is given as 4 pairs of spermatheca in 4th and 7th segment. It is a incorrect. Option B, 1 pair of ovaries attached at intestinal segment in 4th and 15th segment. Incorrect. Option C is given 2 pairs of testes in 10th and 11th segment. So here you should find that 2 pairs of testes sac are situated in 10th and 11th segment. Now each testis sac of the 10th segment encloses the testis and seminal funnel. Each testis sac of 11th segment encloses the testis, a seminal vesicle. Now 10th segment encloses testes and seminal funnel, whereas 11th segment encloses testes, seminal vesicle and seminal funnel. So this is the particularly correct location with respect to the testes, that is the 10th and 2nd. Option D is given as 2 pairs of aesthetic gland in 16 and 18. So it is wrong. So C is the correct answer. Now question number 24. Question number 24 asks that this is absent in circulatory system of cockroach. So in cockroach, hemolymph is absent. In cockroach, hemolymph is absent, and hemolymph, if we talk, it is a fluid analogous to blood. In vertebrates, and it remain in direct contact with animal tissue, and it is devoid of So option D, hemolymph, become the correct answer. That is question number 24. Question 25. Question 25. Ask that which of the following is a contractile protein of muscle. So it is a fact-based question. You have to remember that contractile protein of muscle is nothing but a myosin which form thick band during a sliding filament theory and a sarcomere. So B is the correct answer. Next is question 26. Question 26 asks that how many types of nephridia are present in earthworm. So we remember there are 3 types of nephridia. Number 1, that is a septal nephridia. Number 2 is a pharyngeal nephridia, and number 3 is a integumentary nephridia. So these 3 type of nephridia are found in case of earthworm. Next is question 27. Question 27 asks that which type of cells are found in walls of blood vessels? Which type of found in walls of blood vessels and air sac of lung? So be remember that in walls of blood vessel and air of lung, option A, squamous epithelium is found. So question 27, A is the correct answer. Now we go with the question number 28. In 28 again it is with respect to match the correct option. In column 1, A is given as skin, B is given as pancreas, C is given as genitalia, and D is given as eye. Now if we match with this column 2, in column 2 skin matches with the option 2, that is a respiratory organ. We remember. Next, pancreas, if we go, it is an accessory digestive gland. Genitalia, we go with this, it matches with the 4, reproductive organ. And eye, that is D, matches with the 3, sensory organ. So according to this, option C becomes the correct answer. Question 29. Question 29 asks that earthworm have no skeleton. If we talk about earthworm have no skeleton, but during burrowing the anterior end becomes turgid and act as a hydraulic skeleton, and it is due to. So if we discuss this question, hydraulic skeleton is a system of support, it is a system of support for a soft bodied invertebrates. So what happens here, this relies on the incompressibility of a fluid contained within the body cavity. In earthworm, the coelomic fluid is under the pressure within the coelom and therefore provides support for internal organs. Due to hydraulic skeleton, during burrowing, the anterior end becomes turgid and aids in relaxation of the longitudinal muscle. So according to this, if we go, the option C, coelomic fluid, is the fluid which particularly The earthworm, the entry and becomes turgid, that is due to the coelomic fluid. So C is the correct answer. And last is question number 39. 30 asks that the kind of tissue that form a supportive structure in our pinna are also found in. So we remember it is a yellow elastic fibrocartilage. It is a type of skeletal tissue that is found in pinna, that is found in pinna, Eustachian tube, epiglottis, and tip of the nose, and that is the particular option C. So C become the correct answer. We remember this is a type of cartilage, and due to the presence of yellow fibers it become more flexible. So C, tip of the nose and pinna have the same type of tissue, that is a yellow elastic tissue, which give them a flexibility.